What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Just want to give you a quick update on the seeds that are growing. If you've been following me, you know what I'm talking about. We're just going to get a quick check-in on the seeds, you guys. I don't want to bother them because they're babies and they're growing. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Okay, so I'm going to take this camera off me because it's not about me. It's about the plants, okay? Okay? I love you guys. Thank you for getting me to over 900 subscribers. Thank you, 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 thank you. Okay, all right, I'm gonna let it go. Sorry. You know how I lose it. But thank you guys for getting me to over 300. And I think I just saw a net fly, and that's not good. So we're gonna just look at the plants real quick in our own homemade greenhouse. Somebody told me I couldn't grow the squash and cucumbers yet. But you can do whatever you want to do. You guys. Never thought about grow lights, all that good stuff. And oh, wait a minute. I am so sorry. There you go. Let me show you the cucumber. These are Ethan's plants. When I had little Ethan over here. Yep. He made those, y'all. Okay. And then we have some more tomatoes coming up. And you can tell your tomatoes by the furry stems. Let me see if I can get down to one of the furry stems. You know. And they have the light. Ouch. Y'all, I just shocked myself with the light. Be careful. Have your stuff right. And we have some tomatoes, lettuce. Oh, I just got shocked, y'all, by the light. Oh, it has come off of its hook. You guys, be a safe gardener because we're using electricity to, heat and grow out lights and things. And look, this has come off. I'm not ashamed. This has come off. This is separated from its base, you guys. Yes, and these are one of my YouTube lights that I was using for a grow light. And sometimes I get things happen. So, just want to give you further update because I touched that light down there. Not down there, but I touched it and I got a shock. So, be careful gardening, you guys. Don't do anything extra. Here are some of our peppers. They're doing good, y'all. And it's like I have to change everything around every day to make sure everybody gets light, everybody gets sun. Whoo! Y'all, I've never done the inside seed gardening. If you check out my channel, I always start outside. So thank you guys so much for inspiring me to even start trying early because we don't have a few days before spring. I love you guys. You are the best. Just show you some of the plants. And this is just one that I have on the grow light. Let's release the others. Oh, up. See, got some for you. Surprise! Ooh, surprise! I love you guys. You're the best. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share these videos, you guys. You are the best. When I tell you the best, I just reached 900 members today, you guys. 900! Over 900 now. And it's not about that, but thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. Live, love, laugh, great stuff and eat it. I love you. Thank you so much. I love every last one of you who has tuned in, clicked in. They probably say, ooh, that soil look mighty dry, SkinnyBoyRandy. But don't you know, when you're doing something inside, you have to make it work. Now, these little cup containers, I'm not a fan favorite because they will moisten a little bit, but I still find myself pouring moisture on the top. So look at my Aunt Ruby's. These are the Aunt Ruby tomatoes from Baker Creek. These are the mortgage lifters. That's why you always plant extra, you guys, just in case everything doesn't come out, and it's okay. I'm waiting on the Narangilla orange. naranja orange. You know, I think I see a little something sprouting through. Then we got the big red sweet. And you know you have to plant what you're gonna use. Plant stuff that you're gonna eat. Don't plant stuff because it's pretty or it grows fast. Plant stuff you're gonna eat. Grow stuff and eat it. I ain't growing this for nothing. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are the Dad Sunset. Look, y'all. And I keep my YouTube light on them. This is all I've been doing was keeping my